Hi, my name is Ashley Allen, and this is my Weebly page. I am a software integrator and planner at NASA, and this is my 5th course in the LTDE master's program. I usually organize by classes that I took per year. So LTDE 5350 is at the bottom of this tab. And here are my Authentics assessment pieces. I will share a brief reflection on each assignment and how I address the course outcomes, as well as share the knowledge I'll take away in my career. So for the first one, it's Emerging Technologies Infographic. For this assignment, it helped me identify and analyze various emerging technologies and also applying the knowledge learned from research regarding emerging technologies in education and training. I had never created an infographic before, but it was quite fun in creating and designing, plus learning about emerging technologies such as adaptive learning, AI learning, and XR technologies at the same time. I plan to create infographics in my career to help share information to my group. For the second project, it was actually a group project introducing gamification. This group paper allowed us to explain why technology such as gamification can benefit education and training. I learned a lot about gamification, the benefits as well as the challenges, and how there are definitely more benefits overall. The knowledge I learned from this project I will take into my career and remember to apply gamification as a great way to incorporate a fun, valuable assessment. The next one is also a group project as well. It's applying gamification. With this project, we were given a specific scenario that caused us to analyze the concern with using technology, then propose a plan of how we could apply gamification successfully. We developed an impactful project of technology based on project design, implementation, and transformation. This project will help me propose plan ideas in my career because it taught me how to create an organized, strong, and persuasive presentation when applying something new. For the next one, it was a website scavenger hunt. I had never seen or referred to the WCAG guidelines before, but this assignment allowed me to learn how to read the guidelines and what to look for on websites. I developed knowledge for using technologies in various settings to help facilitate learning for all learners, really learning the importance of why these guidelines are in place. Next is micro-learning demonstrated. This was a fun project. I enjoyed seeing various micro-learning websites and the badges that are given to you after the completion of training. I applied a working knowledge of instructional design to the research of emerging technologies in education and training. Now that I am familiar with what micro-learning sites there are, I will keep these in mind for myself for creating or designing training videos. It is key to keep learning engaging and straight to the point. Next one is a micro-learning and stackable credentials presentation. I also had fun with this presentation. It was fun to design it. I personally had never heard of micro-learning or stackable credentials until this course, but this project made me learn a lot that I will help share with others, for I see a lot of benefits to micro-learning programs. I explored and provided a detailed review of university programs and the benefits they have to offer for each unique program. I will keep micro-learning in mind for myself, family, and friends, as well as colleagues, and I'll keep sharing the word that this exists. Lastly is the technology analysis final report. I enjoyed researching the many emerging technologies that are offered. This assignment allowed me to conduct and present a project on a technology analysis that incorporates a proposed project plan in detail from the description, timeline, benefits, cost. The layout of this project proposal I will keep in mind in case I need to propose a technology one day. That is it for this course. We had great hands-on assignments with our groups, with ourselves. I feel like I learned the most in this class so far, and I will definitely be taking away a lot of knowledge into my future endeavors. Thank you for watching.